In the last video, I explained how to simplify surds. But what if the surd is a big number and you don't know how to find the perfect square in the number? So that's when you use prime factorization. So how do we use prime factorization to simplify surd? Let's start with this first example. We have root 72. So for root 72, we have to first find the prime factors of 72. So let's look for the prime factors of 72. The smallest prime number is 2. So let's divide by 2 so that here we have 36. Then we divide by 2 again. Here we have 18. Let's divide by 2. Then this gives 9. Now, 2 can no longer go in 9 without remainder. So we use the next prime number, which is 3. So we divide 9 by 3, it gives 3. And then 3 divided by 3, it gives 1. So the prime factors of 72 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 and then times 3. So instead of having root 72, we will write these prime factors under the square root so that we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 and times 3. After getting this, the next thing we have to do is to pair the factors such that we group them in two so that we will have root 2 times 2. This is a pair. Then times we are left with 1 2 here. So let's leave that out first. Then let's pair this 3. So we have 3 times 3 and then we have 2. We can rewrite this by separating the root so that we can have root 2 times 2, then times root 3 times 3, then times root 2. Now, root 2 times 2, since we are having two factors here, we just pick one because root 2 times root 2 will be 2. So this will become 2 times root 3 times 3 will give 3, and then we have times root 2. So now the answer will be 2 times 3 is 6. So this will give 6 root 6 root 2. So that means the surd form for root 72 is equal to 6 root 2. If you want to check if your answer is correct, all you have to do is just find the square of 6. What is the square of 6? That's 36. Then just write it like this: root 36 times root 2, and this will give root 72. So this is how to check if you got the correct answer. Now let's try the second one. We have root 180. Now, can you simplify root 180 using the prime factorization? Pause this video and solve it, then you can resume back to check the solution. Now, let's find the prime factors of 180. Let's start with 2. 2 will go in 18 9 times, so this will give 90. 2 will go in 90 45 times. Now, 2 can no longer go in 45. Let's try the next prime number, which is 3. 3 will go in 41 in 15 5. So can 3 still go in 15? Yes. So 3 will go in 15 how many times? That's 5. And then 3 can no longer go. Now we have 5. 5 will go in 5 1. So that means root 180 is the same thing as root 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 and then times 5. So they are already in pairs. We have this is a pair, this is another pair. So that means the square root of 2 times 2 will give 2. So this will give 2 times 3 and then root 5. Since we have just one 5, we do not have two 5s there. So it's not a pair. So we keep the root for 5. So 2 times 3 will give 6. So this will be 6 root 5. So that means the surd form of root 180 is 6 root 5. If you want to check if your answer is correct, then just say what is 6 square? 6 square is 36. So this will just be root 36 times root 5, and 36 times 5 is 180. So this will give root 180. So if you do this and you get the answer, that means your answer is correct. Now it's your turn. So you simplify this surd. The first one, root 63, then we have root 75, we have root 500, and we have root 1250. Practice these ones, and once you are done solving them, leave the answer in the comments. In the next video, I will explain each of these. I will explain how to simplify each of these sort forms. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on the notification bell so you will not miss out on the next episode.